In this video, we're going to look at simplifying expressions where we have to distribute a few times, and we're also going to combine like terms. So example number 1, notice there's two sets of parentheses here, so I'm actually going to be distributing quite a few times. So let's do this first set of parentheses. We're going to take this 2 that's in front of the first set of parentheses and multiply it to everything inside of that parentheses. Again, distribute means multiply. So we're going to do 2 times 3 is 6, and then we have this x here, 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So you do need to multiply it to whatever that number is with its sign. On the next one, it looks like we're going to distribute a negative 4. We're going to distribute negative 4 into everything instead of the parentheses. So negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x, and negative 4 times negative 7 is positive 28. Now we can combine like terms. Remember, like term means same variable, same exponent. So we can combine 6x and negative 12x. 6x minus 12x gives us negative 6x. And then we have negative 10 and 28. The constant terms here can be combined. So that would be negative 10 plus 28 will give us a positive 14. And that is going to be my answer, because I cannot combine the negative 6x with the 14 because they are not like terms. Okay, let's look at example number 2. We are going to distribute this negative inside of the parentheses. Remember that negative is understood to be a negative 1. So I'm multiplying everything here inside the parentheses by negative 1. Negative 1 times 7x is negative 7x. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. In the next set, we're going to take this negative 6 and multiply it to everything inside the parentheses. So we have negative 6 times 2x is negative 12x, and negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Now I can combine my like terms. The x's can be combined together because they both have an x. Those are like terms. So we have negative 7x minus 12x. So that would be, notice they're both negative here, so you really can combine all of those negatives. So how many total negatives here do you have? If we have 7 negatives and 12 negatives, combining all those negatives gives us a negative 19. And then we have the constant terms, 2 minus 6. So we have 2 minus 6, that will leave us with a negative 4. In our last example, looks like we're distributing 4 both times. That means we're going to take this 4 and multiply it into everything inside the parentheses, and then we're going to take this 4 and multiply it into everything inside the parentheses. So we have 4 times 2x is 8x, and then 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. 4 times 3x is 12x, and 4 times 9 is a positive 36. Now we can combine our like terms. 8x plus 12x gives me 20x. And we have a negative 32 plus 36. So we can think about that as 36 minus 32. That would leave us with 4. And those are your examples of where you have to distribute first and then combine your like terms.